Now friends, let's talk about the next problem, that is question number 23. It has been given that you have to find the natural number m for which the coefficient of x in the binomial expansion of this is 1540. Now first of all, let's have a look at the expansion and let's write the general term. So if you just write the general term, what we have been given TR plus 1 and this is 22 CR, right? Obviously sigma is there. Now we can just write it in this way, m, and this is 22 minus r, and again we have 1 upon x square raised to the power r we have. So this is 22 CR x raised to the power 22m minus mr we have, right? And this can be written as x raised to the power minus 2r. Or we can write it as 22 CR, this is x raised to the power 22m minus mr, this is minus 2r we have. Now we have to find the coefficient of x, that means it has to be 1 then, right? So if I write this part as 22m minus mr minus 2r is equal to 1, and this is going to be what? It has been given to us as the coefficient is 22 CR is equal to how much? 1540. So this is a very interesting thing we have. So r is always equal to 3 because 22 C3 is coming out to be 1540, right? Similarly we can say, because NCR is equal to NCN minus R, so you can write it as 22 C19 is also 1540. That means R can be 19 also, right? So there are two things we have, R is equal to 3 and R is equal to 19. And also this expression is given to us. So substitute R is equal to 3 and R is equal to 19 here. We get different values of m. So you have to check that which value is the natural number. So when you solve it for different values of r, then we get m is equal to 13 to be the correct one. So the final answer is 13 we have, right? Now let me go to the next one. The number of words with or without meaning that can be formed by 4 letters of the word syllabus, right? Such that 2 letters are distinct, they are different, and 2 letters are alike. So this is a very interesting thing we have. So let's have a look at this part. So we have what? We have been given syllabus. So this is the term which I have, syllabus we have, right? So you can just see here, there are 2 S, we have 2 L, and what are the other things we have? We have Y, B, U and A. So that means we have Y, we have B, right? We have A and we have U here. Can you see that? So we have to take 2 letters which are alike. So that means out of these 2 sets we can select one, that is 2C1. Got it? So once we have selected 2 similar letters or alike letters, that means we are left out with 5 letters now. So that can be done in 5C2 ways, because we have to select how many letters? We have to select 4 letters, right? So 2C1 into 5C2. Again, there is one more thing. This is a very interesting thing we have. What we have 4 letters together, 2 are similar. So what we can do, we can just write 4 by 4 factorial upon 2 factorial, which is coming out to be 240, right? So this is what we have. So hopefully these concepts are clear to you. Now friends, question number 25. Let fx is equal to x times greatest integer x by 2 for x which lies between minus 10 and 10. So this is a very interesting thing, very important condition we have, where this is the greatest integer function we have, t. So this function is defined as greatest integer, yes. Then the number of points of discontinuity. So number of points of discontinuity we are talking about. Now if I talk about this function, so we need to do it by inspection rather. Let's have a look at this. See, if we have been given fx, this is x times greatest integer of x by 2. Now, this may be discontinuous provided x by 2 is an integer, right? So let us look at the domain which is given to us for x. So x lies between minus 10 and 10. Possible points of discontinuity can be what? So we can write, see, x lies between minus 10 and 10. So this can be, we can write it as plus minus 2. We can take plus minus 4. We can take plus minus 6. We can take plus minus 8. And also we can take 0. So these are the possible values we have for x where this expression can be discontinuous. So let's check for x is equal to 0, say. You can just check it out. Limit of x tends to 0 minus fx is going to be limit of x tends to 0 plus fx, which is coming out to be f of 0. So this all three are equal. So this at x equal to 0, it is going to be continuous. Apart from 0, all the other points will be the points of discontinuity we have. So total number of points we have as 8. So the final answer is 8 we have, right? So hopefully the problems are clear to you.